Hello Year 3, it is Tuesday the 2nd of February and this is our science lesson for this week. Now today we are learning to know what muscles in the body are used for, whether it is support, protection and movement. So to be successful today we are going to learn what muscles are made up from and why they are so important for our bodies. Okay, now last week we learnt about our skeleton. We know that our skeleton protects, supports and moves our body. So parts of our skeleton are responsible for protecting our important parts. Parts of our skeleton are there to support our bodies and hold us up, and parts of our skeletons are there to help our bodies move. What else do we need to move parts of our body? Pause the video and have a think. And hopefully you thought about muscles. We need muscles to be able to move different parts of our bodies. But what are muscles? Our bodies are made up of different types of cells. Cells form to make a tissue, and skeletal muscles are made up of just muscle tissue. So it's lots of cells grouped together in our bodies to make up muscles. Organs are made up of more than one type of tissue. So an organ could be made up of a smooth muscle cell, a bone cell and a nerve cell. What organs do you know the name of? Pause the video and have a think. You may have thought of the heart, the brain, the lungs, the liver, the stomach, the kidneys, the pancreas. There are lots of different organs in our body which are made up of different types of cells. So smooth muscle cell, bone cell and nerve cell. Some muscles move involuntarily, which means we have no control over it. Which organ do you think does this? Pause the video and have a think. Okay, so this organ is the heart. So the heart is made up of mostly muscle and it moves involuntarily. So it beats on its own. We don't decide when it beats, how it beats. It does it all on its own. We have no control over it. Some muscles are called skeletal muscles. They are attached to bone to enable us to move. So some of our muscles are attached to our bones so that we can move our bones, for example, our arm joints and our leg joints. Some organs have muscle tissue, some organs. So which organs may need to move and why? Pause the video and have a think. So again, one of these organs is the heart. It needs to move to be able to pump blood around our bodies, and another organ that needs to move quite regularly is our lungs. So our lungs need to be able to move to fill with air and deflate again on a regular basis to enable us to breathe. We have over 600 muscles in our bodies. We use them to smile, to pick up a pencil, to tap our feet, click our fingers. Even the tongue is made up of 8 muscles. Just in your tongue. That's amazing. Okay, now your task today is to do 5 physical activities and decide which muscles you are using in your body. Now you can use this muscle person to help you. Okay, so the first activity is doing 10 star jumps. Second activity, 10 squats. The third activity, 1 minute running on the spot. The fourth activity, 2 minutes walking. And the fifth activity, 1 minute skipping. Now, which muscles do you think you will use for each of these activities? Let's do a prediction first. And then when you actually do the exercises, see if you can work out if you were right. Pause the video and predict which ones you think you will use for each activity. So you have now made your prediction. Now what you need to do is do the exercises and make a note afterwards of which muscles you think you used in that exercise. So we've got the muscle at the back of your arm, which is called your triceps. The muscle at the bottom of your arm, biceps, at the top of your arm, sorry, biceps. We then have our forearm muscles, our stomach muscles, which are our abdominals, our thigh muscles, which are quadriceps, and our lower leg muscles, which are our calf muscles. So we should have our predictions. Now you need to do your exercises and make a note of which muscles you think you used for each exercise, one at a time. Good luck, everybody. And don't forget to email your results to the Year 3 email address. We would love to see how you got on and which muscles you think that you used. Or you could tweet a picture of what you are doing, or you could video yourself as well, and you could tweet that and tag at Swingate Primary. Have fun, everybody. Bye.